to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be playing Press the Button.
No, don't
with
press
my
the
friend
button, you
Josh.
donkey. It's don't press the button.
Same thing.
Join me. Play.
Okay.
Pizza
That's a bit loud.
Game, so we'll try them out for you.
Survive. Why is the Mario playing? We've got 16. I mean 30.
I got 28.
How?
50 points.
How do you get 50?
Oh,
I
no.
clicked it.
Who did?
Me.
No, it's good.
Yeah, I think yeah. Oh, the walls are closing in. Gotta go quick, guys. Jump out the window. Yeah, because you died.
How is the building?
Help someone.
I clicked the button.
Yay.
Pardon me.
Josh.
No.
Yes. You're the only person saying no.
Yeah, I know. I got your chances.
I have a big head
That
now.
was so random. I clicked the button.
Five. Five.
If you go closer, you get something here. I've got 17.
Got 11.
I've got 20.
I can see that. I have 21.
I was 2 behind it.
I pressed it.
Click to spam the button.
Chocolate.
Let's see what the results are, guys. 142 times. That's pretty good. I definitely clicked it like 200 times though. Probably just like recorded like.
I clicked it about 100 times. You probably clicked it about 42.
What do you mean? Oh no, not this one.
Okay.
Why do I not have any?
games you want us to play. Bruh. I've got 25. I got 29. Okay, that's going to be today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.